Your English journey begins. Travel is, well, very exciting for many people around the world. People like to see new places and experience new things. They like to visit different countries and learn about other cultures. Sometimes they travel to visit their family or their friends who live far away. Planes are a very fast and popular way to travel long distances. Many people choose to go to the airport when they want to take a plane. The airport is often the first step of a big and wonderful adventure. Are you ready for your next travel adventure soon? Airports are usually very big places full of people. You will see many signs and hear many announcements. In most international airports, English is a very common language. Airport staff often speak English to help travelers from different countries. Knowing a little bit of English can make your journey much smoother. It can help you understand important information. It can also help you ask for help if you need it. So, learning some English for the airport is a very good idea for everyone who travels. Learning some basic English words and phrases can really help you. It makes your trip easier and less stressful. You will feel more comfortable when you can understand what people are saying. You will also feel more confident when you can ask simple questions. Imagine you can find your gate easily or order food without problems. This is possible with a little bit of English. This guide will help you prepare for using English in these situations. It is designed to be simple and clear for beginners. This short guide is here to help you learn some easy English for the airport. We will look at important words you will hear. We will see examples of conversations you might have. We will also learn some useful phrases. These phrases will help you at the check-in counter, at security, and when you need to ask for directions. Our goal is to make you feel more prepared and confident. So, let's start learning some helpful English for your next trip to the airport. We will now look at a simple conversation. This conversation takes place at the airport, a busy place. It is between a traveler, whose name is Anna, and an airport staff member, whose name is Ben. Anna has just arrived at the airport and she is at the check-in counter. She is there to prepare for her flight to a new city. She needs to check her bag and get her important boarding pass. Ben is working at the counter, and his job is to help travelers like Anna. Let's see how they talk to each other using simple English sentences. Ben starts the conversation in a friendly way. He looks at Anna and says with a smile,
"Hello, welcome to our airline. I hope you are having a good day. Can I see your passport, please?"
Anna smiles back at Ben and replies politely,
"Hello. Yes, of course, I have it right here. Here is my passport."
Anna carefully takes her passport from her bag. She gives her passport document to Ben. She makes sure he can clearly see her photo and her name on the page. Ben takes the passport document from her. Ben looks at Anna's passport for a moment to check her details. Then he looks up and asks his next question.
"Thank you very much, Anna. Your passport is all good. Now, are you checking any luggage with you today for your flight?"
Anna replies clearly.
"Yes, I have one suitcase that I need to check in. It is this blue one right here."
She points to her blue suitcase standing next to her. Ben nods his head and says,
"Okay, that's fine. Please put your suitcase on the scale next to the counter."
Anna lifts her suitcase onto the luggage scale. Ben checks the weight. Ben then says,
"That's all good. Your suitcase is not too heavy. Your suitcase will go to the plane now. Here is your boarding pass for your flight to London. Your gate number is B12. Boarding will start at 10:30 a.m. Please make sure you are at the gate on time."
Anna takes the boarding pass from Ben. She looks at it quickly. She says,
"Thank you very much for your help, Ben. I understand."
Ben smiles once more and says,
"You're very welcome, Anna. Have a nice and safe flight to London."
Let's learn some very important airport words to help you. First, we have the word passport. Your passport is usually a small official book. It is a very important document for international travel. It has your name, your photo, and your date of birth. It also shows which country you are a citizen of. You absolutely need your passport to travel to other countries. Airport staff will ask to see it many times. Always remember to keep your passport in a very safe place when you are traveling. Next, let's talk about luggage or baggage. These two words mean the same thing. They refer to your bags and your suitcases. These are the bags where you pack your clothes, your shoes, and all your personal things for your trip. Sometimes you check in your luggage at the airport. This means you give your bigger bags to the airline staff. They will take your luggage and put it safely onto the plane. You will then get your luggage back when you arrive at your destination airport. A boarding pass is another very important piece of paper, or sometimes it's on your phone. You usually get your boarding pass at the check-in counter, or you can print it at home. Your boarding pass shows your name and your flight number. It also shows your seat number on the airplane. Very importantly, it shows your gate number. The gate is the specific door in the airport terminal that you must use to get onto the plane. Your boarding pass also tells you the boarding time, which is when you should be at the gate. The check-in counter, or check-in desk, is a special desk or area at the airport. This is usually the first place you need to go when you arrive at the airport for your flight. At the check-in counter, you show your ticket and your passport to the airline staff. This is also where you give them your big luggage to be checked in. The airport staff at the check-in counter are there to help you. They will give you your boarding pass and tell you where to go next. These counters are usually easy to find. Just look for the signs with your airline's name. Finally, remember to smile often. A friendly smile is understood in every language and can make interactions easier. If you feel nervous, take a deep breath and relax. You can do it. Using English at the airport can be an easy and positive part of your journey. Think of it as part of your exciting travel adventure. Enjoy your trip, be curious, and have a wonderful time exploring new places and meeting new people around the world. Safe travels.
Just ask if you need help. We are always happy to assist you.
When you speak, try to speak slowly and clearly. It is perfectly okay if your English is not perfect or if you make mistakes. Many people at international airports understand simple English from all over the world. They are used to helping travelers.
Attention passengers, please listen for important announcements about your flight and gate changes.
If you cannot find the information desk, you can also ask any airport staff member you see. People who work at the airport are usually very happy to help you find your way or answer your questions. Do not be afraid to ask for assistance. Here are some easy and helpful tips for you. Try to practice your English a little bit before you travel. Learn the important airport words we talked about. When you are at the airport, listen carefully to the announcements and to what the staff say.
Excuse me, where is gate C5?
Or if you need to find your gate, you can ask,
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
It is important to listen carefully to their instructions. Just do what they ask you to do calmly. Remember, this process is for the safety of all passengers on the flight. If you need help or if you are lost, you can always ask someone. Look for an information desk. These desks are there to help travelers. You can say a simple phrase like,
Please put your bag on the conveyor belt. Please take off your shoes and your jacket.
After check-in, you will go through the security check. At the security check, airport staff will look at your carry-on bags and sometimes scan your body. They do this to make sure everyone on the plane is safe. You might hear them say,